Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Reolink camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz setup, password and reset. To fix the Reolink camera that won't connect to Wi-Fi, first ensure the antenna is tightly secured and the camera is plugged into a working power outlet. Temporarily move the camera within 5 feet of your router for setup and reboot both the camera and the router. For a step-by-step resolution, follow these core troubleshooting methods. Fix 1. Verify your network settings. 2.4 GHz vs 5 GHz. Most Reolink Wi-Fi cameras operate only on the 2.4 GHz band. Ensure your phone or tablet is connected to your 2.4 GHz network before starting the setup. Credentials. Double-check your Wi-Fi password. Passwords are case sensitive and make sure no accidental spaces are added at the end. Special characters. If your Wi-Fi name, SSID, or password contains special characters, example exclamatory mark, at, hash, temporarily change them to simple letters and numbers. Fix 2. Wired setup test initial configuration. Connect your camera to the router using the provided Ethernet cable. Then open the Reolink app, then tap on the camera and navigate to device settings. In it, go to Wi-Fi network. And from there, select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password and tap save. Then unplug the Ethernet cable and allow the camera to switch to Wi-Fi. Fix 3. Hard reset and re-add. Locate the reset button on the camera, often under a waterproof cover or near the micro SD slot. Then press and hold it for about 10 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see the status LED change. Once the camera resets and is in setup mode, open the Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera to re-add it to your account. Fix 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with modern routers. Check the official Reolink Support Center to download and install the latest firmware for your specific camera model. Fix 5. Check signal strength and obstruction. If the camera connects but frequently drops offline, it may be too far from the router or obstructed by thick walls. Temporarily place the camera next to the router to see if connection issues stop. If so, consider moving the router or installing a Wi-Fi extender. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.